Hey kids, Metal, how we doing today? All right, let's go ahead and pull this apart and assemble this Carrera footbridge. This is probably going to be a very simple and short video. Oh my goodness. My X-Acto knife blade fell out. Hate it when that happens. But that's an easy fix. There we go. Hope you're all doing well today. Oh, it actually has directions. Yeah, this looks pretty easy. It looks like it's just a matter of sliding two pieces together and then putting the stickers on it. So that's easy. Let's give it a go here. Yeah, this is, I should probably paint this some off-white, make it look better, which I may just do. So here's your parts. Where's the stickers? Ah, here's your stickers. Very cool. And of course you can add your own stickers as you wish. So what do we got here? It's like a scroll. All right. So the clicky piece goes in the middle. And it clicks. And then these, I imagine, just go like so. And then you just push her together. Yeah, it looks like you can put flags and what have you there. Okay, this thing will definitely be tall enough. It's wider than I expected, but that's okay. Go ahead and slide her together here. Oh boy, this part's hard. We got it. And that's it. Nice. It's a little too white. Like I said, I'm going to go ahead and paint it an off-white. And other than that, actually, this is a pretty nice bridge. I picked this up from Carrera Slots for $26. A pretty decent price in all truth. And it was together pretty easy. And we're going to probably put lights underneath here, maybe just a couple LEDs. I'm not sure how I'm going to do it yet, if I want to do a strip or what have you, but we'll definitely get that on the track and decorated. So there you go. Like I said, this was a pretty easy and quick video. Then of course you can put your stickers anywhere you want on there and add your own. So yeah, that looks really good actually. I like it. So there we go. See you later, Slot Cowboys. Race on. Thanks for tuning in.